FIFA released their FIFA best yesterday. Dembele won the FIFA best. Congratulations to him. Enrique won, actually the best coach. All these are deserving. But my reservation is on the FIFA 11. There is like, okay, let's start from the defense line. Okay, you have the goalkeeper Donnarumma, which is actually deserving. You have a central defender in Pacho and Van Dijk. What is Van Dijk doing there? That is my first question mark. Now you go to the right, you see Hakimi, highly deserving. You go to the left, you see Nuno Mendes, well deserved. Now you come to the midfield, you see Pedri, you see Palmer, you see Vitinha, you see Bellingham. What is Bellingham doing there? Then you go to the attack line, because it was a 4-4-2 formation. You see Dembele and Yamal, well deserved. Now my two reservation is Bellingham and Van Dijk. Why is Marquinhos missing in that 11? FIFA, this is totally unacceptable. This is totally unacceptable. What exactly did Van Dijk do just winning the Premier League last season? With all the blunders he has been playing, and you want to tell me Van Dijk was better than Marquinhos? It is ridiculous. And again, Bellingham. Why is Raphinha not in that list? What exactly did Raphinha did to FIFA or UEFA? What exactly did Raphinha did after all the things Raphinha played last season? You want to tell me you will pick a Bellingham ahead of Raphinha? Because that formation should have been 4-3-3. Raphinha should join Yamal and Dembele in the attack. Bellingham has no business there. Even if you want to take away Raphinha, like you don't want to give him, Mbappe even deserves to be there more than Bellingham. Even down to Harry Kane. The question is, what exactly did Bellingham did to deserve the spot in the midfield role in the FIFA 11? I want someone to answer me. What exactly did he do? Last season, Madrid went totally trophyless and he was porous. He was very poor with his performance. And you guys still drafting in, like you draft Bellingham into the FIFA 11. It shows that there's a whole lot of bias in you guys voting or you guys selection of this. It is highly biased. It is totally biased. If Raphinha is not in that 11, Raphinha even deserves to be there more than Yamal. If Raphinha is not in that 11 and Marquinhos is not in that 11, then there's a huge question mark on this so-called FIFA 11. It's totally unacceptable. With everything we saw Raphinha played last season, I don't know what is wrong with FIFA. I don't know why all this their award goes with a whole lot of sentiment. I don't really know. I don't know. Is it because he doesn't have PR? I'm going to be very blunt about this. What you guys are doing to Raphinha is totally unacceptable. It doesn't tell well about the football confraternity. This is all I have to say on this. It is a robbery to Raphinha that he is not even in the first 3 Ballon d'Or. He is not even in the FIFA 11. No, it's not fair to Raphinha. I'm not a Barca fan, but I'm going to state the obvious. Bellingham has no business in that list. Van Dijk has no business in that list. And this is all I have to say on this.